Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the Benelli Adventure 2021 series. So now we're going to start with the actual trainings, actual exercises. You must have seen in part 1 where our bikes were dismantled, the visors, the mirrors and the footpegs were removed. So we've been asked to come down. ए तू ABS switch off केलाय? किती सेकंड प्रेस करायचंय? 3. Let's see if my ABS switches off. Yes, the light has started and it is off. Yes, my rear is locking. That means ABS is off. First time मेरी गाड़ी का ABS I must have turned off. Bike feels so nice without the mirrors and visor. Second gear, roll. Oh, no, I can't control. Wow, look at him go.
So, first thing is, where do you stand? You're not standing on the heel. Okay, just imagine this is the feet. You're not standing on the heel. Okay, you're standing not on your ball of the foot. I'll tell you. Not on the ball. You're standing on the arc of the foot. So technically, if you're riding into a technical terrain, ball of the feet. So we are riding an ADV motorcycle. We are trying to be as comfortable as possible. Okay. So in ADV, we suggest to stand on the arc of the feet, not your heel, not the ball. Okay. The reason is you will get access to your levers, the brakes, your gear. Okay. Stand on the arc of the feet. Yes, when you do ride off-road, when you go to certain places, people say stand on the ball of the feet. So standing on the ball of the feet is more technical. Okay, if you're doing any technical corners, technical jumps, it gives you a lot of grip on the motorcycle. Okay, but we are not doing that technical on the ADV bikes. We are not taking bigger jumps. This bike can take maximum 2 feet speed breaker wala jump, not a motocross jump. Okay, because suspension is not meant. The physics, ergonomics is not meant for those kind of terrain. But this motorcycle is meant to ride off-road, where in case if you want to take a small bump, all these things it is capable of. Okay, so standing, arc of the feet. Once you get this arc, there's a sweet spot between the arc and the ball. There's a sweet spot between the arc and the ball. You can slowly move there to get a little more grip. Okay, so first thing is, what we'll do is we'll stand on the arc of the feet and then we grip our ankle to whatever part we get. We grip it hard. Okay, all my grip is here. With my legs I can steer the motorcycle. I don't need handlebar. I don't have to give any kind of input to steer. My legs are enough. Use your core strength of your thighs and core to steer the motorcycle. Okay? We're not giving any input to the handlebar. I'll ask you to kick the front wheel. और आप आ जाइए, आप साइड से. Wait. I am holding the handlebar tight. Okay, see my upper body after he kicks. Don't see him kicking. See my upper body and see the reaction. I am holding the handlebar tight. Kick the wheel. क्या हो गया? I lose the grip of the motorcycle. Okay. Again, I am keeping it light. I am using my core, but I am just using this to just give some inputs. I'm not holding it tight, I'm giving some basic inputs. Okay, now kick. The bike is still under control. Why? Because I'm gripping it here. I'm gripping it on the ankle. Okay? First thumb rule, never use your upper body to steer. Don't use this to steer.
So we did some warm-up first, warm-up exercises like stretching your arms, stretching your legs and all, stretching your whole body, wrists, legs, ankles, everything. And after that we were asked to put the bike, start the bike and push it side by side. It was advisable to wear gears. Helmet and jacket were optional. This was just to understand how your bike behaves on the clutch, when you release the clutch and all. So next probably we have some other exercise which will start recording in some time. At this stage I quite feel tired, but we are learning some good stuff to handle these machines. We've got some big machines, heavy machines, so this is a good exercise that this is happening. Probably I'll be able to ride a little more better after doing these exercises. This is number 2 of warm-up. Wow, after changing this handlebar, the riding position is much better. I'm getting a much better grip on the bike. It's running on first gear without the clutch right now. I'm able to control the bike. He had told us not to stand upright, but slightly, put your bum slightly behind out, your knees tucking in and holding the tank, and your hands to be outside. Okay, so I'm in that position right now. I may look like a monkey if being shot like that, but so first round I did it in without accelerator. This time I'm going to start accelerating, and he also advised that we need to have 2 fingers on the clutch as well as 2 fingers on the brake. I mean, from one of your hands clutch and one of your hands brakes, and look upright. I should have got a ADV helmet. This Ajit is training. Leg up. Oh god. So first I started with the brake side and then I started with the gear side. And these guys are doing it with much pro level. See, shit. Now both the levers, both the legs up. Both legs. I'm not sure if I can do it. A lot afraid. Okay, I did it. Both my legs are up. I'm going to keep good distance, with people ahead, so that I can control the bike better. Man, this is tough. I'm putting a lot of weight on the handlebar. My right arm is paining at this moment. Probably some mistake I'm doing.
Both the legs on one side.
Both the legs on one side. Shit. It's a proper stunt, man. I'm not able to do that. Okay, both the legs are on one side. But I'm still not controlling the clutch. Bike is moving on its own. I'm swapping the leg. When some other bike comes too close, I can't take it on the gear side. Still not able to do it. Yo, he's a pro. I'm not able to put my second leg down on the gear side. Want to do it for some distance. Yes, I'm down. Not completely, but my pant is coming in between. Yes, both my legs are on the left hand side now. Of course, I can't show you half the stuff. Oh, it is now showing us how to control the bike with your legs. Okay, he has showed us an example when we were off the bike. So how do we balance and counterbalance with our legs? Look at his leg positions. So the idea is a focus should be on the next cone, one cone ahead while he's moving, while you're moving ahead, and then control your bike steering with your legs.
The first thing. Real life situation मध्ये ना
Me for the checks. Yes, have to do this. Oh fuck! So that is what mistake I'm doing. I'm not gripping my knee.
Look ahead. हो जाएगा. It will happen. Only thing is you have to give in your 100%.
Yes.
First thing is stop. Stand on the bike.
On the bike.
Don't put it on neutral.
Yeah. Okay. First.
Did I ask you to put it on neutral?
No. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Grip your knee.
Okay.
One.
1.
Always grip your knee.
Yeah,
Whenever
okay.
you turn, grip your knee. Elbows out.
Elbows out.
Look ahead.
Look ahead.
Elbows out. Look ahead.
Okay.
Give your 100% doing that. नीचे नहीं देखना है आपको.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
So with this to go left, then counterbalance, then counterbalance, then counterbalance, then counterbalance, then counterbalance. But I'm looking down. This was much more better. Gosh. क्योंकि लास्ट राउंड परफेक्ट हुआ. Trying out the stuff. This one is really not easy, though many are able to do it.
Okay, you guys, come on. Yes, now push. Walk back.
Lovely.
Stand up.
Lovely.
हाँ, इसका वीडियो निकाला.
Yes.
Post it on social media now.